Elon Musk might be grabbing the headlines for his exploits in space, which, needless to say, is not undeserved when you dare to put people permanently on another planet and build the most powerful rocket that is also reusable. Your revolutions are bound to attract attention. However, there is another revolution of Musk going on this planet that you might not have heard about yet, which will change everything as we know it. For years, Tesla has been working on what is the most powerful computer in the world, the powerful near-quantum supercomputer. What is this near-powerful computer, and how does it affect you as a person? Join us as we dive into Elon Musk finally revealing its new powerful near-quantum supercomputer. Is Tesla a car maker or an IT company? Tesla makes sweet and fast cars powered by batteries. It is even a leader in EV batteries, so it is not surprising that most of the world identifies Tesla as a manufacturer of battery-powered vehicles. However, the fact is, the Musk-controlled company is much more than that, and the line between a car-making company and a computer-based company blurs when Tesla is involved. For example, it is not without reason that Tesla has a market capitalization in the league of IT companies. With a market cap of over $1 trillion, Tesla rolls with the big boys like Microsoft, Apple, Google, Facebook, and Amazon, far removed from companies from its own primary industry. Toyota, the second most capitalized automaker, has about 1/4 of Tesla's worth, while Volkswagen, the third, comes in even lower at about 1/8. Not surprisingly, Tesla has championed over-the-air updates to make its cars better by adding features or clearing bugs, just like Microsoft updates your personal computer or Apple releases an update for your iPhone. Speaking of software, Tesla is the leader in auto software. Tesla has in the past unlocked more battery capacity over the air, although not everybody liked the idea. Over the years, Tesla has refined its user interface so much that drivers use it without even thinking about it. Tesla even has games for you to play on your center console and Netflix for the times you want to chill inside your car. While that might be controversial sometimes, it shows how seriously Tesla takes software. And that's not to talk of hidden Easter eggs that make the ownership experience much more exciting. This is all why Musk said the Model S was not a car but a sophisticated computer on wheels. Here is how Musk described Tesla. Tesla is a software company as much as it is a hardware company. A huge part of what Tesla is a Silicon Valley software company. We view this the same as updating your phone or your laptop. That was back in 2015. Since then, Tesla has improved in both hardware and software, but the company is still as focused on the software. Most recently, Tesla's AI head, Andrej Karpathy, describes Tesla's car like this: "We are effectively building a synthetic animal from the ground up. The car can be thought of as an animal. It moves around autonomously, senses the environment, and acts autonomously." One aspect that has been driving Tesla's innovation in the computing space is its self-driving technology. Many Tesla owners swear by the self-driving capabilities of their cars. While the capabilities are amazing, a Tesla car driving itself or working autonomously requires large amounts of computing power. However, using existing computing technologies is providing Tesla with subpar results. And as usual, when Musk can't get what he wants, he builds it. This is why Tesla unveiled the near-quantum supercomputer it built in-house. The near-quantum computer is every bit a supercomputer. It is very complex and powerful. Tesla required a computer platform for taking its self-driving technology to the next level, but since Musk could not shop for what he needed, he made the near-quantum computer powered by the Dojo D1 chip, which provides stunning bandwidth and compute performance. This is what will train Tesla's massive neural networks. But the company has hinted they might provide its near-quantum computing to other companies developing AI in the near future, bringing the benefits of Dojo to more of humanity. Tesla is building its near-quantum supercomputer to handle the massive amount of video data captured from over their large fleet of existing vehicles, which it uses to train its neural nets. Tesla was not satisfied with other HPC or high-performance computing options for training its computer vision neural nets and decided they could create a better platform. Basically, Tesla's supercomputer has been designed for just one problem, which is not unusual. However, due to its general-purpose design, it will be suitable for other industries and applications like deep learning, optimization simulation, and NLP. Tesla isn't the first to build a supercomputer because there are many supercomputers all over the world. For example, there is the Fugaku in Japan, capable of 442 petaflops of computing power. There are also the Summit, Sierra, Perlmutter, and Selene, all in the US. Other countries with top supercomputers are China with its Sunway Tahoe Light and Germany with the Joules. You might have noticed that Tesla's supercomputer, capable of about 68.75 petaflops, is lower than some of the supercomputers mentioned here. However, what is interesting with the supercomputer is that for what it is built for, no other supercomputer can come close to it in performance. Supercomputers already are being used to accelerate medical research and drug development because they are capable of quickly processing massive amounts of data. In fact, researchers have relied on supercomputers to power COVID-19 research since the pandemic began in early 2020. But other industries also are leveraging the extra processing speed of supercomputers, which are being used for oil and gas exploration, space exploration, climate modeling, financial modeling, 3D modeling, weather forecasting, consumer product design, digital security, where it's used for brute force code breaking, and nuclear test simulations. The D1 chip, part of Tesla's near-quantum supercomputer system, uses a 7-nanometer manufacturing process with 362 teraflops of processing power. The D1 chip boasts 50 billion transistors. When it comes to processors, it absolutely beats the current record held by AMD's EPYC Rome chip that has 39.54 billion transistors. Now, the fact that a 7nm process has been used to fabricate the chip tells us that Tesla used either Samsung or TSMC to make it happen. However, it is more likely that Samsung built it, since it is also Samsung that fabricated Tesla's HW3 chip. Tesla places 25 of these chips onto a single training file, and 120 of these tiles come together across several server cabinets, amounting to over an exaflop of power. Tesla's supercomputer is powerful because Musk believes squeezing more performance out of the computer system used to train the company's neural network will be key to progress in autonomous driving. Near-quantum computing will make everything faster, and Musk illustrates the change this way. If it takes a couple of days for a model to train versus a couple of hours, it's a big deal. Some car companies use neural networks to identify objects on the road, but Tesla is relying more heavily on the technology with a single giant neural network known as a transformer receiving input from 8 cameras at once. Transformer models have provided big advances in areas such as language understanding in recent years. The gains have come from making the models larger and more data-hungry. Training the largest AI programs requires several $1 million worth of cloud computer power. Musk is betting on the new supercomputer to establish its lead over self-driving competitors like General Motors' Cruise and Google's Waymo. The supercomputer will help Tesla speed up the training of its AI program immensely. So exactly why does Tesla need a supercomputer this powerful? Well, unlike many self-driving car companies, Tesla does not use LiDAR, a more expensive kind of sensor that can see the world in 3D. It relies instead on interpreting scenes by using the neural network algorithm to pass input from its cameras and radar. This is more computationally demanding because the algorithm has to reconstruct a map of its surroundings from the camera feeds rather than relying on sensors that can capture that picture directly. Also, Tesla gathers more training data than any other car company you can think of. To make this point clearer, each of the more than 1 million Teslas on the road serves as data input and sends back to the company the video feeds from its 8 cameras. The EV company employs 1,000 people to label those images, noting cars, trucks, traffic signs, lane markings, and other features to help train the large transformer. That is a massive amount of data for Tesla to process. Tesla plans to sell this tech. In a series of tweets that started through a response to famed software engineer John Carmack, Musk confirmed that Tesla plans to open the supercomputer to the public as a web service to train machine learning models. It's hard to imagine that Tesla, which is mainly an automaker, can give the Intels of this world a run for their money in providing supercomputing services. However, like most people have found out, you underestimate Musk at your own risk. Let us know what you think of Tesla's near-quantum supercomputer in the comments section below.